This is a story on how to make $21 and some change off of trash. I just made this. Let's go through it. Just go on Google, look for local scrap yards, and on top of that, I've said this before, just pick up aluminum cans, pick up aluminum stuff. If you're a handyman, this is for you. If you ain't a handyman, you can still probably pick up some tips. Alright, so I scrapped today some sheet iron, some low-grade boards, computer boards and whatnot, some old sheet aluminum, some clean sheet iron. I got 85 cents for the insulated. That's just like your copper wires. Like you can cut it off of a microwave that don't work no more, a vacuum that don't work no more. That's insulated copper wire. They gave me 85 cents for that. I just had 2 wires I just threw in there that I got yesterday when I was fixing up a house that's getting flipped for my homie. Some sheet iron I just threw in there. Got 46 cents for that. Got some low grade boards. That was just some computer boards I collected in a little bin. Probably throw a picture up of what it was looking like a little bit of computer boards I accumulated over time. Old sheet aluminum. That's the poundage of everything. I had 42 pounds of that. Aluminum paid pretty good. Copper paid the most, but as you can see, aluminum, I got $16.80 with all the aluminum that I had collected. Clean sheet iron, some more of that was like $1.79. So it totaled up to $21 and some 40 cents. Handyman Night, this is the Handyman Hustle channel. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and all that for more tips. And I'm gonna throw some pictures up of everything that I scrapped today. Now it's a small little amount of money. Took me about an hour to go to the scrap yard and bring it back. As I'm doing these handyman jobs, people always throwing the shit away, so I'm constantly collecting it, throwing it and separating in certain bins, knowing that what metals is what. Usually, here go a quick tip: the metals that a magnet won't attract to, they give you more for that metal. It's usually aluminum and like copper. And the metal that is attracted by a magnet, because you want to get you a little magnet. I got one on my keychain. Probably get them off of Amazon or something like that. The ones that are attracted by magnets, those are usually sheet iron, and those don't get as much. You have to accumulate more weight in order to get those higher numbers. Just little tips or whatnot. I gotta go get to some more money. This should be at least another $500 day. So yeah, that's pocket change. The $21 and some change. But just know that it's some side money that you can get while you out here handyman hustling. All right, I'm Handyman Night. I'm gonna holler at you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you. Yeah, let's get it. Take action.